Now, if you're a Windows user, there's a certain point in your life where you learn that Control-Alt-Delete is your best friend. From Control-Alt-Delete, you can actually pop up the Task Manager. So, I can't show Control-Alt-Delete on screen here because of the way my video capturing software works, but that's one way to pop up Task Manager. The other way is simply to right-click in the taskbar in Windows, so down here, for example. And then you'll notice that there's a Task Manager option. I can simply select that to launch Task Manager. But regardless how you do it, I wanted to quickly show you a feature that not many people necessarily encountered. So over here you see a simplified list of apps. I can naturally right-click, end them, run a new task. I can do a number of things here. However, if you click more details to the bottom left, you'll notice that of course there are more details. There's more information, multiple tabs. Now, I'll leave you to explore this on your own time. The only thing I wanted to show you that you might not realize is that the Performance tab is special. And they don't tell you why. But if you click here, you'll notice that there's pretty little charts. They're happening in real time. All good. But if you double click anywhere on the right here, I think pretty much anywhere, but typically I double click here, you'll notice it turns into another type of window. It hides all the extra noise, and you just see the chart you care about. Now this can be useful if you want to work while keeping an eye on the performance of your computer, for example. So I could stick it in the corner and then work on some stuff on the left-hand side of my screen and still know what's happening with my CPU performance. Now they call this tiny footprint mode, and they don't really explain that it exists. So sometimes people accidentally double-click when they're in this window and find themselves here and they don't know how to come back. Well, to come back, you double-click again, simply, to return. But I kind of wish they would explain it, but I still think it's a nifty little feature in Windows 10. You can also, of course, select other sections like memory and have that appear. You can also resize while you're in this mode. And, oddly enough, other tabs do not have the same feature. So you can go around double-clicking to your heart's content. Yet, it doesn't work. So why did they only add it to this tab? Probably because it's pretty graphs. Again, they could have told us, but at least now you know, so go ahead and enjoy it.